procrastinating a bit on things that I need to be posting. So there's a lot of things that are gonna be posted soon. But today I have my second month of the Witch Exchange, or the Witchin Vibes gift exchange. So let's get on into that. Okay, so let's get into this package. Got my scissors. See what we get this month. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. He is playing in his room. Oh, she gave me a card. It smells marvelous. If I can get it out, that's great. Your Halloween is sure to be great. That's so cute. Okay, I'll read that in a bit. Ooh, no wonder why it smelled so good. What kinds are these? These are cool. I can't tell what kind they are. Wild berry incense. It looks like one's different. They're fresh, hand-dipped, superior grade incense. Oh, what's this? Oh, face masks. That's so cool. See that? So cool. I'm definitely gonna love these. Anything else in here? No, that's all. Okay, let's go back to the card. I hope this... I can barely read this. Oh, I hope this card finds you well. I understand you are expecting a little one, and what an exhausting adventure this can be. I sent you some things to help you relax, as I believe self-care is some of the strongest magic there. I hope this spooky season treats you nicely. I think it says. XOXO Fallon. So cute. Love it. I just want to know what exactly these are. They really smell good. They do. I'm gonna have to light one. I just don't know if I can have them being pregnant and all. Yeah, she kind of gave it away, so I'm gonna have to post the pregnancy video first. But yep, that's all right. Well, thank you, Fallon. I love it. Thank you so much. Really gonna enjoy this. Alright, thank you guys. Bye. Okay, so as I'm editing this video, I realize it may be confusing because I had to go and make another video first so you'd understand part of this video, which I'm posting that right now. It's uploading to YouTube, but I'd also like to mention that I'm sorry, Fallon, that I cannot read your handwriting. It's not your fault, it's my fault because I can't read cursive very well, so sorry for that. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you liked this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.